Hi, and welcome to this online course. This course is being offered absolutely free of cost to ensure that it reaches all those in need, irrespective of social and economic circumstances. Also, through these courses, we want to achieve our vision to improve the lives of 1 million people. So please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Wish you all the very best and happy learning.
So hello guys, welcome back to Arun's Academy and let's start with today's topic, and the topic is ratio and proportion. Okay, the thing is, the first, what is the ratio and what is the proportion? What is the difference between them? So first what we'll do, first I will tell you what is the ratio, after that I will tell you what is the proportion, and finally I will tell you what is the difference between that. Guys, you already know what is a fraction. So the smallest fraction is known as the ratio. Okay, I will show you. Fraction means what? Whenever you are taking p divided by q and q is not equal to 0. Okay, so that time you took it as fraction. Okay, like 6 by 8 is also a fraction. But guys, 6 divided by 8 is not a ratio. Why? Because some common thing available between 6 and 8. Okay, so whenever the common thing available, you can't take that thing as ratio. So you have to cancel that. How to cancel? Everyone knows. So 2 to cancel, you will get 3 and 4. So 3 divided by 4 is the ratio. Okay, and this is the formal way to write the ratio. 3 is to 4. This is 2 is divided by. If someone will ask you what is the ratio, you have to tell them that ratio is A divided by B and there is no common thing available between A and B. Cross common means no common thing available between A and B. Okay, so this is the basic thing, basic idea about ratio. Now the next one is the proportion. Proportion means if there are two ratio. Okay, if there are two ratio, let's say A divided by B one ratio, next is C divided by D another ratio. Okay, and if the both are equal, that is your proportion. Okay, you can say A divided by B is proportional to C divided by D. Okay, so guys, whenever it is proportional, okay, you can go for cross multiplication. Why? Because equal to is there, no? You can go for cross multiplication. If you go for cross multiplication, you will get A into D is equal to B into C, and this is the first formula of your proportion. What is the use of it? Whenever you are having three value, you can find the last one. Let's say one ratio is given, that ratio is 2:3. And if someone will ask you to find the amount, always remember, whenever you are going to find the amount, you have to multiply one variable with the ratio. Then only you will get the amount. Okay, how to do that? Your favorite variable, that is x. Okay, so it is 2x and 3x. So now you can consider 2x as one value and 3x as another value. Okay, so every time you have to multiply that. Why to multiply? That I will tell whenever we will solve some example. Okay, next one. Whenever there is a ratio, let's say 2:5. Okay, if they will tell you to tell the amount according to the fraction, what you have to do? You have to write 2 divided by 7. This one is your 5 divided by 7. Why? If this is 2 part, this is 5 part, the total part is equal to 7. From 7 part you are taking 2, so it is 2 divided by 7. From 7 part you are taking 5, that is 5 divided by 7. Okay, so another thing, another idea about ratio. Now the next one, the duplicate ratio. What is the meaning of duplicate ratio? Look here. Guys, remember one thing, if A is to B is the real ratio. If A is to B is the real ratio, then A square is to B square is a duplicate ratio. The square root of A is to square root of B is also a duplicate ratio. Guys, I took the power as 2 and 1 by 2. Square root means 1 by 2. Okay. Whatever be the power. So I can write here power n to the power b to the power n. A to the power n is to b to the power n, that is also a duplicate ratio. The root of nth root of a is to nth root of b is also the duplicate ratio. Guys, another thing, I want to clear the basic, okay? This is not only the duplicate ratio, another type of duplicate ratio is also there. Whenever a is to b is a real ratio, then 2a is to 2b or 4a is to 4b is also a duplicate ratio. Means indirectly I am saying whenever you will take the power, whenever you will take the multiple, you will get the duplicate ratio. Guys, now I want to confuse you for one minute. And you know, sir, why you are telling like, okay sir, you will confuse us. Guys, only when you will be confused with the topic, then only you will understand the concept properly. Okay, so guys, first I will confuse you, and from that only I will tell you what is the exact meaning of this duplicate ratio, or else it is not possible for you to tell what is the definition of, what is the exact definition of duplicate ratio. So we'll write 2 is to 3, second one 4 is to 9, next one we'll take the square root, we'll get 2 is to 3. Now you tell me which one is the duplicate ratio, 2 is to 3 or 4 is to 9. The first answer will come, sir, 4 is to 9 is the duplicate ratio. But why? It's not a duplicate ratio, guys. What is the definition of ratio I told? If there is no common thing available between two numbers, that is known as ratio. Guys, is there any common thing available? No. Then why 4 is to 9 is a duplicate ratio? That is also a real ratio. So guys, always remember, whenever someone will ask you about duplicate ratio, you have to take the reference of another ratio to clarify that this is the duplicate ratio. Without taking the reference of other ratio, you can't say it is a duplicate ratio or not. So guys, let me clear it. 4 is to 9 is the duplicate ratio for 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 is the duplicate ratio for 4 is to 9, because this is your power square, this is your square root. Okay, so please remember, whenever someone is asking you about the duplicate ratio, you have to tell, sir, without any particular thing, we can't say is a duplicate ratio or not. Means if they will give you, tell me 4 is to 9 is a duplicate ratio or not? No, it's not possible to tell. Because if you want to say that 4 is to 9 is a duplicate ratio, you have to show them why. And to show them, you have to take another reference, and that reference is 2 is to 3. So you have to say 4 is to 9 is the duplicate ratio from 2 is to 3. Okay, so this is the concept, this is the real concept of your duplicate ratio. Okay, so now we will go for the most important thing of your ratio, that is your how to solve the questions. Sometimes they will give you the ratio, they will ask you to find the amount. I will tell you the type of the questions. Okay, please try to remember all the type. If you understand every type, no, after that whatever be the question will come, at least you can attempt the question. Guys, I never used to tell my people that you will solve all the question. I never expect that. Okay, I never want you will get, okay, my student they will solve 100%. It's not possible. If it is 100%, then you are God. Okay, guys, we don't want to solve 100%. What do we want? We want to just clear the test. Okay, guys, if it is possible to clear the test by just going for 60 to 70%, just go for 60 to 70%. Don't go for 100%. Why you will use your brain more? Simply go for the easy question, clear the round. It is not like, okay, if you will get 95%, they will give you one Cadbury silk. No. Same thing, first round to the second round. Okay, so better you have to clear the test and you have to use your brain. Okay, not the hard work. You have to go for the smart work. Okay, you have to clear the test only. Look here. So guys, for that I will tell you some tricks. Okay, look here. First the type of question, and after that I will tell you the trick. Okay, the type of the question. The first one. So they will tell the ratio is given 2 is to 3. If the total salary is equal to 500 rupees, what is the share of A? They will say A is to B is given, that is 2 is to 3. The total salary is 500 rupees. What is the share of A? So guys, as I told, you have to multiply your favorite variable, your x. Oh, not your x, means the variable x. Okay. So 2x and 3x, the total salary they gave, right? So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. That 5x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500 divided by 5. Your answer will be 100. They want the share of A. What is the share of A? 2x. 2x means 2 into 100. Answer will be 200. This is your type 1 question. Okay. Next one, the type number 2, they will ask you the difference. Okay. They will tell the salary of A is to B, means the salary ratio of A is to B is 2 is to 5. And if B salary is 180 rupees more than the salary of A, if the salary of B is 180 rupees more than the salary of A, then what is the salary of A? What you have to do? Guys, always remember one thing, whenever you are going for the difference, it may be more, it may be less, the difference will be always same. If they are saying 180 rupees more, that is also the difference. If they are saying 180 rupees less, that is also the difference. So now it is 2x and 5x. What is the difference, guys? 3x. So that 3x is equal to your 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 3. What is the answer? The answer is 60. After that also you want me to solve the question? Seriously? Okay. 2x. 2 into 60. Answer is 1, 2, 0. Got it? So this is your type number 2. Guys, type number 3 and type number 4 are very important. Okay? Type number 3, they will never give you the perfect ratio. They will tell you to find that. Okay? How to find? Look here. So they will tell A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4. What is A is to B is to C? This is not a question only. This is the logic behind the question. After that, I will tell you the question. So guys, A is to B is to C. This B is common. You can directly say, sir, 2 is to 3 is to 4. But guys, if I just change it, I'll write 5 here. Now tell me what is A is to B is to C. Now you will say, sir, it will take some more time. Only because of that, I don't want to tell you the formula. If I will tell you the formula, I know that you will forget the formula after some 2 to 3 days. Only for that reason, I will tell you the same thing with another trick. Okay, with another pattern. Okay, if you follow that pattern, you will get the answer. Okay, let's go for the pattern. What I will do, I'll write A, next one is B, next one is C. So it is 2 is to 5, 3 is to 4. Always remember, whenever you are going for A is to B is to C, the first one and the last one will be the cross multiplication. The first one and the last one will be the cross multiplication. 2 into 3, 6, 5 into 4, 20. You want the middle one, right? Middle one is this. 5 into 3. You will get 6 is to 15 is to 20. Okay? And the pattern is Z. Okay? So just remember the pattern, you can find the answer. Okay? That much simple it is. Okay? After getting this particular ratio, after that you can solve the question. No, after that the question will be your type 1 or type 2. Okay? So let's try another difficult one. A is to B is given. I will take B is to C. B is to C, I will take 3 is to 4. C is to D is equal to 4 is to 7. Okay, let's make it 6 is to 7. Easy to understand. Okay, so what I will do, I'll write A, B, C, D. 2 is to 5, 3 is to 4, 6 is to 7. Guys, whenever you are going for A is to B is to C is to D, the first one is cross multiplication, the last one is also cross multiplication. So 2 into 3 into 6. What is 2 into 3? 6. 6 into 6? 36. I'll write 36 here. We'll go for the last one. 5 into 4. 20. 20 into 7. 140. After that, you want B and you want C. For B, the pattern is like this. For C, the pattern will be like this. Okay, so it is 5 into 3 into 6. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 6, 90. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 6, 120. Guys, is there any common thing available? Yes, there are some common thing available. The first one is 2. If you go for 2, you will get 18. This one you will get 45. This one you will get 60. This one you will get 70. Next one, is there any common thing available after that? So 2 not available. 3 is also not available. 5 is not available. Okay, so this is the ratio base. After that, the same thing you can go for type number 1 and type number 2 to solve the question. Okay, so this is the thing you have to remember, okay, about ratio whenever you are solving this type of question. Okay, now we'll go for the proportion. Proportion, I already told you people, you have to go for the cross multiplication and you will get the formula as A into D is equal to B into C. Sometimes they will ask you the question like A is to B is proportional to C is to D. Okay, this is the formal way to write the proportion. Okay, so they will tell A is to B is proportional to C is to D and A is to B is equal to 4 is to 5. A is to B is equal to 4 is to 5. Then what will be your C is to D if D is equal to 20? Okay, you can use the method. That method is A into D is equal to B into C. By using that, you can solve this particular thing. So, guys, now the last 3 things you have to remember whenever you are going for the ratio and proportion. Okay, so basically the 3 things are fourth proportional, third proportional, and the mean proportional. Okay, so we'll start with the fourth proportional. Guys, if it is given 2 is to 5 is to 4 is to x. Okay, so guys, fourth proportional means what? Fourth proportional means what? So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. You have to find this one. What you have to do, you have to multiply this 5 into 4 divided by 2, your answer will be 10. Okay, so this is your fourth proportional. You can use this formula also, A into D is equal to B into C. The same thing whatever I told you earlier. Okay, so now we'll go for the third proportional. Guys, whenever you are going for third proportional, you always remember one thing, that total 3 things will be there, but actually 4 things are there. So 100% one will be repeated. Okay, how it will be? Look here. Okay, so it is 3 is to 6 proportional to 6 is to x. Okay, so now if you go for to find x, now x is the third proportional. What you have to do, 6 square divided by 3. The same thing I am doing. Okay, so your answer will be 36 divided by 3. It will be 12. Whenever this 2 thing will be common, that is known as your third proportional. Okay, now we will go for the last one, that is the mean proportional. Mean proportional means we will find this common thing. Okay, so how it will be? It will be like 2 is to x proportional to 2 is to x proportional to x is to 8. So this is your mean proportional. So mean proportional means you have to find this. What you have to do, total it is x square. X square is equal to 16. X is equal to, so it is 4. So this is all about the concept of your ratio and proportion. For today the topic is percentages. Guys, my favorite topic. Okay. Guys, this is a very simple and very interesting topic if you will really understand it. If you will not understand, if you are like, okay, percentages is only one stick, 2 dot, if you think like that, 100% it will be boring. Okay, so guys, please concentrate concentrate on the video, and I think by the end of this video you will get some 70 to 80% of idea on percentages. Okay, I will tell you every time, I will tell you how to solve, I will tell you how to solve the question within 5 seconds, I will tell you how to decode the question, everything I will tell you. Okay, but only one thing, be concentrated. Okay, please concentrate here. Don't think about some other thing. Let's start the topic. We'll start with the name only. Okay, guys, percentages. I can write this one as percent. Okay, so guys, what is the meaning of cent? Cent means 100. Per means divided by. Guys, it means whatever you think in terms of 100, that is your percentage. Okay, whatever you think. If you think 20 in terms of 100, this is your 20% of 100. If you think x in terms of 100, that will be x% of 100. That much simple it is. Guys, there are lots of people, whenever they will get that percentages question and all, they will assume the whole thing as x. Guys, please don't take x. Try to take 100. Okay, if you take 100, it will be very easy for you. Why? Because whatever be the percentage, you can calculate for 100, which is very easy. Damn easy it is. 70% of 100, 70. Whatever be the percentage, the same number you will get. So better, whenever you are assuming something, you please take 100 instead of x. How to take? That also I will tell you. Now, guys, if I ask you one simple question, what is 10% of 100? What is 10% of 100? The answer is very simple. Yeah. Next one, what is 20% of 200? Guys, don't say 10, it is 40. Okay, I know there are some people that are thinking the answer is 10. No, this is 40. Okay, I will tell you one very simple method. Okay, 10% of 100, what you have to do? 0. Okay, so it is cancelled. 0, 0, cancel. You will get 10. Okay, so guys, you can do like 20% of 200. Okay, you can cancel 110, you will get 2 and 20. After that, you can just multiply, you will get 40. Okay, that much simple it is. Now, I will give you another one. So try to find what is 90% of 200. What is 90% of 200? What you have to do? 0, 0, cancel. 9 into 20, answer will be 180. Okay, but guys, if I will give you one difficult number, let's say I'll give you 62.5% of 400. Okay, guys, it's not difficult. Okay, whatever be the difficult thing, we can make it easy. Okay, whenever there is a problem, there is always a solution. Okay, so what you have to do, guys, as I told, to find 10% of something is very easy. Okay, so let's find 10% of 400. What is 10% of 400? 10% is equal to 40. Correct. Now, we want 62.5. I can write 62.5 as 60 plus 2 plus 0.5. First I will calculate 10%, that is 40. Next I will calculate 60%. Okay, 60% means I have to multiply 6 with it. So 6 into 40, answer will be 240. I got 60%. Now I will go for 2%. Guys, I got 10% is equal to 40. 1% is equal to 4. So 2% is equal to 2 into 4. Answer is 8. After that, I will go for 0.5. 0.5 means what? Is the half of 1. For 1 we got 4. So for 0.5 it will be 0.5% is equal to 4 divided by 2. Answer is 2. Just add it, you will get 250 is the answer. Okay. Guys, I am not saying to follow this method. Okay. It is not like to follow this method, follow that method. Not like this. In which method you are comfortable with, go for that one only. If you are compatible with Jai Mata Di, Akkad Pakkad Bombay Po, you can go with that, but not here. Inside the examination hall. If there are some question, okay, there are some question, it is not possible only, what will do? Go for Jai Mata Di, no problem. Okay, but whenever you are inside the classroom or whenever you are reading the thing from the online sessions, you have to learn perfectly. Okay, so 250 is the answer. Let's complicate the thing. Okay, so now the question is 77.77% of 333. Guys, you know what is the problem is? The problem is whenever we get the number as 7, the number as 3, the number as 9 is always looks like very tough. You know why? Whenever they will ask you like find 10% of something, whatever be the number, you can find it. Find 20% of something, whatever be the number, you can find it. If they will ask you 29% of something, that time you are like, not possible. Okay, guys, if it is possible for 20%, it is possible for 29% also. If 20 is a number, 29 is also a number. I am not saying it will take only 5 seconds. It may be more, but your mind will be not possible. Guys, don't think in that way. Think it is possible. Okay, so guys, whenever they will give you this point value, they will ask you the question like find the approximate value of 77.77% of 333. I know if you use the calculator, you will get the answer as 258.9741, which is similar to the approximate value is 259. But the problem is without using the calculator, how to solve the question. So for that, I will tell you the simple trick. So, and the trick is all about percentages table. Okay, so this is the percentages table, whichever is in front of you. Like this one, starting from 1 by 2 into 100 to 1 by 11 into 100. Okay, guys, 1 by 11 into 100 is not the last. After that also we have lots of things. But if you remember up to 1 by 11, that is more than enough for aptitude. So now guys, you just think inside your mind by using your brain. This thing is easy to remember or difficult to remember? I think for maximum number of students is difficult to remember. Okay, so guys, for that I will tell you how to remember it also. Guys, whatever be the difficult thing you are getting, I will clarify everything. Okay, so let's start with 1 by 2. Guys, everything is multiplied with 100. Okay, so please don't say 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33. Don't spoil my career. Don't say Satya sir told. No. So 1 by 3 into 100, everything is multiplied with 100. Okay, so guys, if I start with 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, up to 1 by 5 is easy. Now talking about 1 by 6. What is 1 by 6? Don't say 16.67. I also know. I only wrote it. Okay. So guys, 1 by 6 is equal to, I can write 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 2. Correct. So now the value of 1 by 6 is equal to the value of 1 by 3 divided by 2. And you already know the value for 1 by 3. What is the value? 33.33. So please write it 33.33 divided by 2. Your answer will be 16.67. Okay. So guys, this is not a formula. This is a trick how to remember the percentages table. So I think it is at least 10% more easy to remember about 1 by 6. Now we will go for 1 by 7. But now you know what is the problem. 6 is not a prime number. Only for that reason we used to simplify 6 by using the previous numbers. But 7 is a prime number. Okay. So how to remember it? Guys, nothing to do. Okay. Nothing to do. What you have to do? Just tell me what is 7 into 2. Tell me what is 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. What is 14 into 2? 28. The answer is 14.28. Okay. So it is 14.28. Okay. Just you have to remember 7 into 2. 14. 14 into 2. 28. 14.28. After that, 1 by 8. If you know 1 by 4, you can find 1 by 8. 25 divided by 2, 12.5. After that, 1 by 9 and 1 by 11 both have close friend. For 1 by 9 is 11.11. For 1 by 11 is 9.09. And guys, please don't ask me how to find 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into 100, answer is always 10, guys. Okay, so I think now at least 20-30% you understood the percentages table. Another whatever is remaining, the 60 and 70, I will let you know when we will solve the question. Okay, but why I told you this particular trick or this particular table? Only to solve this question. Yes or no? So let's solve it. How to solve 77.77 of 333 by using the percentages table. So guys, as I told, the main problem is with the numbers. Okay, so the main problem with the numbers. So the first thing you have to do is you have to simplify this 77.77% according to the value of your percentages table. Okay, so I can write 77.77 is equal to 7 into 11.11. Now there are some people, they will ask or they will think, sir, how come we will know that we have to go for 11.11 only? Because that you have to think, guys, whenever you are getting 77.77, 77 is the multiple of 7 and 11. Okay, so only one value is given, that is 11.11, that you have to take only. Okay, so it is 7 into 11.11 of 333 means into 333. Another thing will come. I told you percentages means you have to go for 100. Why I am not writing 100? Because everything is multiplied with 100. Only for that reason I am taking only 11.11. Okay, so now 11.11 is equal to 1 by 9, and after that everyone knows that 333 is perfectly divisible by 9. So his 9 cancel, you will get 3, after that you will get 7. The answer is 7 into 37. Now there is no need to use calculator. Tell me what is 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. Okay, keep 9, take 4, 3 into 7, 21 plus 4, answer is 29. The same thing we got when you use calculator also. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular question. Yes, I know this is the approximate value. Okay, and they also know this thing. They will ask you only the approximate value. Okay, sometimes if they will ask you the exact value, you find the approximate value. After that, go for the option elimination method. Check in the option which is the nearer value. Whatever be the nearer value, you take that only. Let's say it is 27.27% of 121. 27.27, I can make it like 3 into 9.09 because 3 is a divisor, 9 is also a divisor of 27. Okay, into 121. So this one is 1 by 11. 11 cancel is 11. 3 into 11, answer is 33. Okay, that much simple it is. Okay, I think everyone understood this particular concept. Okay, and this is your type number 1. The calculation of the percentages, whatever be the thing they will give, you have to use the method of percentages to find the value. Okay, let me tell you the traditional one. Always remember one thing, whatever you are calculating, that will be in your numerator. With whom you are calculating, that will be in your denominator, and of course you have to go for into 100 because it is percentages. Okay, means if they will ask what is 20% of 100, or else let's take a simple question, what percentage of 200 is 40? What percentages of 200 is 40? What you are calculating? You are calculating 40. With whom you are calculating? 200. So 40 divided by 200 into 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 2 cancel, you will get 20, so it is 20%. So 20% of 200 is equal to 40. This is your type number 1. I am not sure whether they will ask you this type number 1 or not. I am not sure, that means they will never ask. Okay, they will never ask you the type number 1. They will ask you type number 2, type number 3, type number 4 and type number 5. It means there are 5 type of question in percentages. Okay, so let's go for type number 2. Type number 2 is known as the increase and decrease. Increase, decrease. Okay, so I'll give you one simple example. Okay, so there are two persons A and B. Let's say A salary is 25% greater than B. A salary is 25% greater than B. Then by what percentage that the B salary is lesser from that of A? Again, I'm repeating the question. Is A salary is 25% greater than the salary of B? Then by what percentage then the salary of B is lesser than that of the salary of A? Okay, how to solve the question? Look here. I told A salary is 25% greater than B. Okay, so what I will do, if I will take B as 100, I already told you people there is no need to take it as X. Take it as 100. So 125% more, you will get 125. Simple. Now, by what percentage B salary is lesser than that of A? That of A. That of A. You have to calculate in terms of A. Okay. So guys, B salary is 25 less. But from whom? From A. So you have to calculate in terms of A salary. So 25 divided by 125. After that, you only tell me. Multiply into 100. Yes or no? Because percentages. So it is into 100. 25, 25 cancel. 5.4. 5, 5 cancel. You will get 5. Okay. So 5 into 4. Answer is 20%. Okay. So this is the thing. And this is the frequently asked question in many exams. Okay. And the answer will be 20%. Okay. But guys, please remember one thing. If you know only this percentage is table, means you can solve 50% of question in percentages and 50% of question in profit and loss also. Means indirectly I am saying this question also you can solve by using the percentages table. You want to know, people? You want to know how to solve it? Okay, very simple. Guys, I got 25% greater. Guys, always remember one thing. If it is 25% greater, is 20% less. If it is 20% greater, is 16.67% less. If it is 16.67% greater, is 14.28% less. If it is 14.28% greater, is 12.5% less. If it is 12.5% greater, is 11.11% less, and so on. Means if you will get this type of question, relax. There is no need to do anything. Okay, what you have to do, whatever be the percentages, just take the below value. Again, another thing I want to tell you people, if it is 25% greater, is 20% less. If it is 20% less also, it is 25% greater. Means I am talking about the vice versa thing. Okay, I think everyone understood the concept. To check you people. Okay, I will give you another example. Let's take the same thing with 10% greater. Like A salary is 10% greater than B salary. Then by what percentage B salary is lesser than that of A? Answer is 9.09%. That's all guys. Now seriously you are thinking percentages is difficult. Superbly interesting topic. Okay. So this is your type number 2. Now we'll go for the type number 3. Okay, type number 3 is out of which. Okay, out of which. I will tell you the sample type. The type will be like, they will tell there are 20 number of books, out of which 5 are notebook. Okay, then what is the percentages of notebook in your total number of book? They will never ask you this type of question. I am telling you the basic thing only, for that reason I am saying. So guys, to discuss about the type number 3, just back to your childhood days. Okay, so whenever you will go to your childhood days, means school days, that time, you know what is the most irritating thing? The irritating thing is, whenever you will do a good thing, no one will appreciate. No one will appreciate. But whenever you will do a mistake, that time, everyone are like, I will call your parents. Okay, and it is the main irritating thing in school. Whatever be the thing, okay, is like maybe due to some reason, okay, maybe you came to the school like some 2 minutes late, I will call your parents. Okay. If it is not possible for you to answer a question, call your parents. Every time call your parents. So whenever they will call your parents, okay, what they will do, they will give you one superb gift. Okay, and the gift is this one. Okay, so this is the progress card or report, whatever it may be. So if you go for the right hand side of your progress card, something divided by something will be written. Okay, let's say for boys 35, 40 out of 100, for girls 90, 95, something like that. Actually, you know what is the problem for boys? For boys, no, there are lots of things to do. Okay, but like very busy people. Okay, well, like okay, we have to play PUBG, but oh, now PUBG is banned. But there are lots of things we have to do. Only for that reason, we're happy with 35, no problem. Okay, so let's say it is, we'll go for girls, or else they will kill us. So 95 divided by 100. Okay, or else it is given, 21 divided by 25. What does that mean? It means if the total score is 25, your score is 21. How to find the percentages? There is nothing to find. What you are calculating? Your score. Okay, with whom you have to calculate the total score. What you want to find? Percentages into 100. So it is 21 divided by 25 into 100. Your answer will be what? Your answer will be 84%. Got it? That much simple it is. This is your type number 3. Okay, so now we'll go for the type number 4. Before we start that thing of type number 4 or type number 5, I want to tell you something, okay? So guys, that is the difference between increase and gradually increase. Okay, what is the meaning of increase? What is the meaning of gradually increase? Okay, guys, increase means it will directly increase with the same amount. First year also same amount, second year also same amount, third year also same amount, like that. Gradually increase means first year it will be some amount, second year it will be some more amount, okay, third year it will be some more amount, like that. Why more? Because whatever be the more amount you will get from one starting amount, in the next year it will be added to this. Okay, and again the thing will be calculated on the new one. Only for that reason it will be increase gradually. I will give you another 2 to 3 example. Okay, don't think so much. So for gradually increase and decrease, I will show you the type number 4, that is your population. Okay, so population means what they will say? They will say that population of a village is 1000 and is gradually increased by 10%. What will be the population after 2 years? Okay, so first 10% will be calculated on 1000, so you will get 100. So now the population of the village is 1100 after 1 year. So now again it will increase on 1100. So 10% of 1100 you will get 110. So this one will be 1210. So this will be the population after 2 years. And this is your gradually increase. This is your gradually increase. For that we have a particular formula, okay, and the formula is P whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power P, where P is the present population, R is the gradually increased percentages, and T is the time per year. Okay, so this is your type number 4. Now we'll go for type number 5. Type number 5 is gradually decrease. The question type will be the cost of one vehicle is 50,000 rupees and is gradually decreased by 10%. Guys, it's like, okay, whenever you are buying a new bike or new scooty, so that time whatever be the price of that bike, after 2 years you will not get the same price if you sell it. Okay, why? Because it is always depreciated. Okay, so it will be gradually decrease. So for gradually decrease. This is the formula. That's all. P whole into 1 minus R by 100 to the power T, and this will be the present price. This is the gradually decrease percentage. P is equal to the time. So this is your type number 5. Except this type number 5, means type number 1 to type number 5, we have another type that is known as the miscellaneous one. Miscellaneous means they can ask from anything. They will merge type number 1 and type number 2, they will ask. They will merge type number 2 and 3, they will ask. Okay, so this is all about the concept of your percentages. So guys, in profit and loss, there are something everyone knows. Okay, that is the basic formula. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll start with that basic formula only. Okay, so guys, there are only 6 basic formula. Okay, I'll start with the first one. It is selling price is equal to the cost price plus profit, and selling price is equal to the cost price minus loss. Okay, next one, the profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. The loss is equal to the cost price minus the selling price. Okay, and the another 2 formula, the profit percentage and the loss percentage. Profit is equal to the amount of profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Okay, so guys, now if you notice the formula once again, you can find in the last 2 formula there is something common. Okay, what is that common thing? The first thing 100, 100. After that another thing is common, that is your cost price. So guys, I am telling, it may be profit, it may be loss, you have to calculate in terms of cost price, whatever it may be. It may be profit, it may be loss, you have to calculate in terms of cost price. If cost price is not given, you have to assume the cost price as 100%, always remember. And again the same thing, whenever you are going for profit and loss, there is no need to take the x as variable, there is no need to assume something as x, you have to take 100, which will be damn easy. Okay, so this is the basic thing. Now the thing, from the basic thing only I want to ask you something. No, if I'll ask also, you will not get the answer. So what I'll do, I'll ask you, after that I will give the answer also. Okay, so guys, it's a very simple question. The cost price is given. The cost price is given. The cost price is equal to 1,500. The profit is equal to 25%. Then find the selling price. Now the thing, this is a very simple question that I also know, but whenever you are calculating the profit, I already told you people, you have to calculate in terms of cost price. Okay, so this one is 25%, so 25% of 1,500, you are calculating 25%, so 25 divided by 100 into 1,500, this is cancelled, you will get 375. 375. Okay, instead of doing that, you can directly take 25% is equal to 1 by 4. I already told you in percentages, and if you multiply with this, then also you get the same thing, which is your 375. Now this one is a value, this one is also a value. So what you will do, you will apply the formula. This is cost price plus profit. Cost price is equal to 1,500 plus 375. Your answer will be 1,875. Okay, so this is the type 1 question. Now I will give you the second question of type number 1 only. Selling price is given. The selling price is 2,400. The profit is equal to 20%. So what is the cost price? What is the cost price? Guys, there are lots of people who used to do mistake here. Okay, so guys, what they will do, they will calculate 20% of 2,400 and after that they will subtract. Guys, I didn't say you have to subtract. It's not like that. I told you when I started the topic, I told you that it may be profit, it may be loss, you have to calculate in terms of cost price, but the cost price is not given, that is the problem. And that time only I told you, whenever the cost price is not given, you have to assume the cost price as 100 percentages. So I can write here 100. Now, the cost price is 100%. Now, the profit is equal to 20%. Profit is already calculated on cost price. So, if you add this, you will get 120%. So, this 120% is your selling price, and which is your 2400. So, 1% is equal to 2400 divided by 120. 0 cancel, 12 2s are 24, answer is 20. Okay, so now you have to find 100%. Why? Because they want you to find cost price. Cost price is equal to 100%. So what you have to do? 100% is equal to 20 into 100. Answer will be 2000, or you can also write it 2k. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, and this is your type number 1 question. Type number 2 is all about discount. Type number 2 is all about discount. Okay, but before that, please remember one thing. If it is profit, if it is gain, or if it is increase, is always denoted by plus sign. If it is loss, if it is discount, or if it is decrease, is always denoted by minus sign. Why I am telling this, I will let you know later. Okay, so now the thing is discount. What is the meaning of discount? I'll give you one simple example, okay, to teach you what is discount. So guys, do you know something called as Paytm, Flipkart, the online shopping sites? So in Paytm there is an offer. The offer is 50% off plus 30% cashback. Okay, so guys, there are two type of discount. The cashback is also a discount. So what we'll do, we'll take one price. Okay, let's say that price is 100. So 50% will be calculated on 100 because 50% is the first discount. 50% of 100 will be 50. If you minus the thing, you will get 50. Why minus? Because this is discount. I already told you people, whenever it is discount, you have to go for minus. Answer is 50. 50 is your new selling price. After that, the next one is 30%. This 30% will be calculated on 50. Okay, this 30% will be calculated on 50. So 30% of 50 will be 15. Again, you have to minus. Answer will be 35. This one is your final selling price. But what do you want? You don't want this final selling price. We want the discount. Guys, the price was 100. Okay, now it is 35. So whatever it is decrease is only because of discount. So 100 minus 35, your answer will be 65. You are calculating for 100, that will be 65% discount. Okay, so if someone is asking 50% off plus 30% cashback, it is not equal to 80% discount. Please remember, this is your 65% discount, because I know there are some students, they will think 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. Only for that reason, it will be 80%. Okay, 80% is not the answer. Your answer will be 65% discount, and this is your manual method. I will tell you the formula method also. So guys, now we'll go for the formula. Okay, how to find if there are two discount, if there are two profit, means how to find the successive discount, the successive profit, the total profit, the overall profit, whatever you think. Okay, so guys, for that I have a very simple formula. The formula is x plus y plus xy by 100. This is the formula. X plus y plus xy by 100. So guys, now what is x and what is y? So x is equal to the first one and y is equal to the second one. Whatever it may be profit, it may be loss. Now we took the previous one. Whatever be the question I gave you, the same question you have to solve it by using this particular formula. But before using this particular formula, you have to remember the previous thing. What I told you people, it may be profit, it may be gain, it may be increase, it is plus. Whenever loss, discount or decrease is minus. Okay, so now what I will do, so this one is x plus y plus xy by 100. So 50% off plus 30% cashback, so both are discount. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take minus 50 minus 30. Okay, chalo, I'll make it like this. Happy now? Okay, so minus 50 minus 30. After that, minus into minus plus. So 50 into 30 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Minus 50 plus minus 30, answer will be minus 80, plus 15, answer will be minus 65. Guys, what is minus? Minus means discount. What is 65? 65 is a number only, so it is 65% discount. The same thing whatever we got before. Okay, so guys, you can use this particular method to find the overall profit, overall loss, overall gain, overall decrease, overall discount, overall increase, whatever it may be. Okay, so this one is your type number 2. Okay, so let's talk about the third type of question of profit and loss, that is all about the market price. I wrote lots of things, okay, except market price. Okay, guys, market price, mark price, MRP, printed price, display price, tag price, all are same thing. In some company they will ask you market price, in some company they will ask you MRPs, in some company they will ask you display price, list price, something like that. So whatever be the thing they are asking, you have to follow the same method. Okay, so guys, there is no proper formula, there is no proper logic for market price, mark price and all. Okay, so if you want to remember the thing, I will give you one very simple way to remember, that is the intermediate thing of your cost price and selling price. To make it more easy, what I will do, I will take one simple example. Okay, so let's say the cost price of one article is 1000 rupees. The cost price of one article is 1000 rupees. Okay, and think you are a shopkeeper. Think you are a shopkeeper. Whenever you are a shopkeeper, you want some profit. Without a profit, why someone will sell the thing? Okay, so let's say that profit is 10%. Is 10% profit. So I already told you people. Okay, again I'm telling. Whatever be the first thing you are getting, you have to calculate on the first price. Whatever be the second thing you are getting, you have to calculate on the second price. The same thing I did when I told you 50%, 30% and all in discount. Okay, so now 10% of 1000, 10% of 1000, answer will be 100. So you have to add the thing because it's profit. So you will get 1100. That will be the market price as of now. After that, whenever you are a shopkeeper, you have to give some discount to attract the customer. Okay, let's say that discount is 10%. Okay, so now this discount will be calculated on 1100. So 10% of 1100 will be 110. Discount means you have to minus the thing. So you will get 990 and this is the selling price, and whatever I told you, this is one simple transaction. Okay, so now I will tell you why I told you this thing. Okay, so guys, look here. What is the use of market price? Okay, there are 4 cases actually. The case number 1, whenever 10% profit is not there and 10% discount is not there. Whenever 10% profit is not there and 10% discount is not there, your cost price is equal to your selling price and there is no need of market price. Okay, case number 2, let's say 10% profit is there but 10% discount is not there. So 10% profit is there means whatever it will be, this 1100 directly it will be your selling price. Again the same thing, there is no need of market price. Case number 3, 10% profit is not there, 10% discount is there. So 10% discount, it will be calculated on 1000. So you will get 900, that will be the selling price. Again the same thing, there is no need of market price. Only one case, the case number 4, whenever 10% profit is given and 10% discount is given, that time only you want market price. Whenever there are 2 things, profit also there, loss is also there, to show the people that this side is profit, that side is loss, this side is profit, that side is discount, you need one reference point. That reference point is your market price. Okay, so that is the thing about your market price. Again the same thing I am telling, whenever you are having 2 things, that time only you have to go for the concept of market price, or else there is no concept called as market price in profit and loss. There are only 2 things, that is cost price and selling price. Okay, and I think everyone understood what is the logic behind this market price. Okay, so this is all about the concept of your profit and loss. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.